Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today I'm super excited to share with you a complete guide on growing your own coriander at home. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the taste of fresh herbs you've grown yourself, and coriander is one of the easiest to start with. Before we dive in, let me tell you, once you start growing your own coriander, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have fresh aromatic herbs whenever you need them. Pretty amazing, right? Let's start with what you'll need. Grab some coriander seeds, a pot with drainage holes, good quality potting soil, and water. That's it, simple, isn't it? Now here's where the magic begins. First, we're going to prep those seeds. Here's a pro tip. Soak your coriander seeds overnight in water. This little trick really helps with germination. Once they've had their beauty sleep, give them a gentle crush or nick them slightly. This helps them sprout faster. Next up, let's get that container ready. Fill it with well-draining potting soil, but remember to leave about an inch or two at the top. Think of it as giving your future plants some breathing room. Make sure the soil surface is nice and level. We want our coriander to have an even playing field, literally. Now for the fun part, planting. Using your finger or a small spoon, make some shallow holes. We're talking about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. Pop 2-3 seeds in each hole, giving them some personal space. Then tuck them in with a light covering of soil. Watering is crucial, but here's the thing. You want to be like Goldilocks. Not too much, not too little, but just right. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. When the top feels dry to touch, that's your cue to water again. Your coriander plants are going to be sun lovers, so find them a bright spot with at least 4 to 6 hours of daily sunlight. A windowsill or balcony is perfect. Just think of it as their personal tanning spot. Once your seedlings are a few inches tall, it's time to play favorites. Thin them out, keeping only the strongest plants. Keep up with regular watering and show any sneaky weeds the door. The best part? In just 3 to 4 weeks, you'll be rewarded with lush green coriander leaves ready for harvesting. When those leaves are looking full and vibrant, you can start snipping away and adding fresh flavor to your dishes. Remember, growing herbs is like having a tiny garden that gives back. With just a little care and attention, you'll have fresh coriander whenever you need it. So why wait? Get started today. And soon you'll be adding homegrown flavor to all your favorite dishes.